On Windows 11, Microsoft is the default browser experience to navigate the internet, open web links and view PDF files. However, you can change it and make the system default to Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Brave, Opera or any other browsers. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to set Chrome as default browser on Windows 11. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on apps. Click the default apps page from the left side. Select Google Chrome to make the new default browser on Windows 11. Click the set default button. Once you complete the step, Google Chrome will become the new default on Windows 11. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.